Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore default icons in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Settings app. Now after opening the settings, scroll down and here click on themes. Now in themes, click on this menu icon and then click on my stuff. Now to change the icons, go to the icons tab and here you will be able to see the default icons theme. So to restore the default icons, choose the first option and then click on apply, and after a few seconds it will apply the default icons. So now you can see all the icons are restored back to default. So that's how you can restore default icons in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.